Hi and welcome to our series of grammar on the parts of speech. My name is Reet Udhan and today in this video we shall see another important part of speech, that is prepositions. We have already discussed the 5 parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, verbs, adjectives and adverbs in our previous video. The links of these videos are given below in the description box. Do watch the video till the end to get all the important information about preposition. So let's begin. What is preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words used to link a noun, pronoun or noun phrase in the sentence. Link here means they provide a relationship between noun and other words, that is nouns, verbs or adjectives in any sentence, and thus makes a complete sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, times and location of a sentence. Let's understand them with some examples. Sarah was hiding under the table. Here, under is used to link the table, which is a noun, and hiding is a placement of Sarah. So if we don't use under and write the same sentence, it would be Sarah is hiding the table. We are not able to get what is the relationship between hiding of Sarah and the table. But by using the word under, we confirm that Sarah is hiding under the table. Hence, under is a preposition here. Now let's look into the different types of preposition. They are divided into 3 types depending on 3 situations. That is, when the thing or event happened, where the thing or event occurred, or which direction the thing or event is happening. The preposition that describes when the event happened are defined as the preposition of the time. Examples: in, on, at, before, after. Let's understand them with some sentence examples to make the point clear. Breakfast is a meal which is generally eaten in the morning. Here, when is the breakfast taken? It is taken in the morning. In here is the linking word and hence it is a preposition. Let's see another example. We always have a huge celebration on New Year's Eve. Here, when is the huge celebration? It is on New Year's Eve. On here is the linking word and hence it is a preposition. Let's see one more example. The shop closes at midnight. Here, when the shop gets closed, it gets closed at midnight. At here is the linking word and hence it is a preposition. Remember that this preposition links when one thing happened in context to another. Now let's see the next one. The preposition that describes where anything is in context to other are defined as preposition of place. For example, under, above, in, on, at. These are the examples. Now you might think we had in, on and at in a preposition of time, and here also. But please remember they are used in different meanings. Let's see few sentence examples to make the things clear. The keys are on the table. Now where are the keys placed? They are placed on the table. Here, on describes the link between table and keys. So it is a preposition of place. The pictures are above the couch. Here, where are the pictures? They are above the couch. So above is the linking word. Remember, these preposition provides where the thing is with respect to another. Now let's look into the next type, the preposition that describes where to go or where to put something. They are called as preposition of direction. For example, to, into, of, from. Let's understand this with some sentence examples. We went to Paris last week. Here, to describe in which direction we went, so here to is the linking word. Let's see another example. The hikers walked up the hill. Here, up is describing in which direction he went. So up is the linking word here. Remember, preposition provides in which direction the thing is in respect to another. So these are the three main types of preposition. Now let's see into one more term related to prepositions, that is prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase is a group of words containing preposition. It draws a relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. Prepositional phrase includes a preposition, its object, and any modifiers of the object. Prepositional phrases can function either adjective phrases or adverb phrases to modify the other words in a sentence. Let me give you some examples. The store at the corner sells sandwiches. At is the preposition and at the corner is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adjective phrase which is modifying store. Let's see another example. The sun rose over the mountain. Here, over is the preposition and over the mountain is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase functions as an adverb phrase modifying rose. Now let us see why are preposition and prepositional phrases so important. Prepositions and prepositional phrases provide the important details about the words they modify. They include answering the following questions like which one, what kind, how, where, when, and to what extent. So remember, preposition and prepositional phrases are very important to study. So that's all about the preposition and prepositional phrases in this video. Let's do a quick recap. We firstly discussed about what is preposition. Then we discussed about the types of preposition, which is preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, and lastly we saw prepositional phrases. That's all in this video. In the next video we shall see another part of speech in detail. So if you have any questions or suggestions, do mention in the comment box and I'll answer it. Don't forget to press the red subscribe button and click on bell icon to receive the latest updates. Do like, share and comment the video. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Happy learning.